In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Klaviyo account quickly and safely. Whether you're moving on from the platform or starting fresh, this guide will make it easy. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and clicking your profile icon in the lower left corner. From there, select Settings to access your account management options. Next, navigate to the Billing section. Here, look for the Close and Delete Account option. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation to ensure you really want to delete your account. You will then complete a short survey to select your reason for leaving. Either pick an option or type your own. Once done, click Continue to proceed. Make sure you're certain about your decision, as recovering the account afterward may not be possible. After confirming, your deletion request will be processed by Klaviyo and your account will be closed. And that's it. You've successfully started the process to delete your Klaviyo account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.